through the steps of how to add a camera onto your MyGeotab. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Safety tab on the left-hand side panel, and then you want to find the Cameras and Videos tab. If this tab is not available to you, please contact our support team to get this feature added in. Next, you'll want to click on the arrow pointing down next to it, and then select Cameras. From there, you want to click on Add Camera on the top right-hand side. Select the camera provider. Input the IMEI number, also the serial number of the camera, and then select the asset that you will be installing this camera into. Once you've done that, click Save on the top of the page. And those are the steps for adding a camera onto MyGeotab.